You're headed for death. Mercedes Benz, what the fuck did I know about that? I was driving a Peugeot around in the ends. I speak this truth in my life, don't lie like these guys on the track that's dead. When I speak on the mic, my reasons are right, don't ever pretend. Not ready for war, you're headed for death. Come through with that white boy swagger. I'll flex in the dance with your girl, huh? Watch how this white boy dagger. Don't care what you think, don't matter. Slim waisting, big batty, get grabber. I can tell that this girl want dicking, could put my dick in, but she a slapper. Why's your man tryna move like a pikey, talking on violence, all of us fighting? It's not my fault that your feelings got hurt, cause your girl want broke off her back on my ting. I said broke off her back on my ting. She was gassed when she stepped in that club with man. She was hypnotised by strobe lighting. One drink, two drinks went down, and the next thing I know, she wouldn't stop whining. With man, how she caught my eye. She said that she got a boyfriend, but I said fuck him, you know we ain't right. I asked her to come to the bar, grab her one drink and have a good time. She looked at the floor in question, then she looked back and said that she might. She walked to the bar so gracefully, I turned crazy, I knew she was sexy. I couldn't believe my eyes.